Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. I'm here with new day and new lesson number 3. We will start the unit number 2. The name of this unit is Asma-e-lahi, Allah's name, with English translation. Allah has 99 beautiful names, and Allah says in the Holy Quran, and to Allah belong the best names, so evoke Him by them. The first name which we learn today is الشهيد, the witness, the one who is ever observing everything and everyone He created. Allah observe all the things up to the day of judgment. Al-Haqqu, the absolute truth, the one who is the truly existing. His essence is the only reality. Al-Wakilu, the trustee. Trustee means the guardian and administrator of all things. Al-Wakilu will provide the perfect resolution for every matter. Al-Kawiyu, the most strong, the one who is beyond all weakness, unlimited and inexhaustible. The last name for this day is Al-Matinu, the firm one, the one with great firmness, honor of all strength. Students, these names tell you the attributes of Allah. Allah is everywhere. His strength, Allah is guardian, His existence and honor of whole universe. These attributes also called the qualities of Allah. This is the end of today's lesson, and you should learn these names with English translation. Thanks all of you. Have a joyful day.